y'all, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on this 7710. This is not ours, this is guy. We gotta get a rear main seal in here, so I'm going to probably set up a time lapse for you guys. I'm going to get ready to pull the hood off. We're going to be moving it over there here pretty shortly. I'm going to get the hood off and do a couple things, and then when I get the chance, I'm going to get back outside, do a couple of things, get that engine and basketball goal out of the way, and then we'll get started on it. We got to get the engine pulled out of it to get down there to it. Some people have said that you can get to it from the underneath it, but I just feel like that's going to be very difficult to do that. So to do a good job, we're going to do it and take the engine out and do it the right way. So I'm going to get started here. I got to set the camera back up, but we've been working on this here, so we're gonna be quitting for tonight. It's 8 o'clock or so, so I'm going to go ahead and head home. All right, guys, it is the next day back here working on the 7710. So I'm gonna get you guys set up on time lapse up there on the 4650 somewhere, and we'll get started here. I think we gotta do some work underneath there, get the flywheel out and some stuff like that. So I'm gonna get to it. All right, well, I got that drive shaft off now, so took a little bit of convincing, but now we can get it back up there into the flywheel. I'm sorry about your mat, Dad. It kind of fell. That was not planned, so at least it didn't fall on me. So anyways, we gotta get back up in there to the flywheel and the drive shaft, so get to that now. Alright guys, so it has been a while since we've been working on this tractor, but we finally got all of our parts. We got our engine mounts, and we got our new vibration dampener in there. The new rear main seal is in there. So now we gotta get this thing mounted back in the tractor. So that's what we're gonna try to work on here this morning. Day Saturday, the 19th of March. And we're gonna try to get this put back in here today. Well, at least Dad's gonna try to help me this morning get it put in there, and then I can work on it by myself for a while of the day. So we'll see what we can get done here. Hey everyone, Monday morning, and we're back here in the shop. Spring break today, so working on this here this morning. So just put the air filter back up on there. We got the engine back in here as the other day, as you saw in that time lapse. So we're just buttoning up the small stuff, putting hoses back on, putting wires back on, shields and hose clamps, I guess. So we got a few more things to button up here. We got to put the fan in, and then we're getting pretty close. We get to put this front wheel drive shaft on. It's laying underneath there. We actually ended up pulling this tractor out a little bit, as you can see, so that we could bring the forklift in from the side, and it made it a lot easier. film pulling it out, but it's running. Now we just got to see what's leaking, and hopefully nothing's leaking. I don't see anything on the concrete, really. I think that might just be paint right there. Yeah, that's just paint. Alright, I'm going to let it sit here and run for a little bit, and then we'll see if we found any leaks. Alright, well, I just gave the tractor a good bath. I got it cleaned up nice, so I'm getting ready to back it in here soon. Well, looks good and sounds good, so I'm gonna get up here and shut it off. Alright, so a couple things we gotta check in a little while. We gotta check on our coolant, and then actually that's pretty much it. I mean, by the morning all the water should have drained off, and then if there is any oil leaks or antifreeze, or I mean water leaks, we will be able to tell where they're at. So I'm not going to put any side shields on. We got to put Freon in the air conditioner, but other than that, we're basically done here. All right, we just got this tractor pulled out here this morning. I'm getting ready to take the radiator hose off and dump the water out. We just put water back in it whenever we were in the shop because we didn't want it to leak or anything. If we had leaks, we didn't want to be messing with antifreeze or anything. So I'm going to dump this water out. It's just plain water, so I'll let it drain out, and then we'll actually put 50-50 antifreeze and water in here. Okay, we are gonna pull this out of the shop. Well, I have pulled it out of the shop, but I'm gonna get it set up over here. We are done with this. We put the fenders back on, as you can see. I'm gonna set this up on our new concrete here. We extended this pad out here, and then we also poured some more over here, just to make it easier moving seed boxes around and loading the seed tenders and everything. So that'll be helpful. But I'm gonna back this around here, and then they are gonna come pick it up today. So hopefully everything seems to be working fine, so hopefully there's no issues. But other than that, that should be it for this project. So I want to thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. A little bit something different. If there is anything that you want to see in the future, just put it down there in the comments, and I'll make sure to read every comment there is. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.